Right. His question is that how can birds fly and how did they fall?
How can
Birds fly
and how do they fall?
they fall?
You see, generally the birds don't fall during flights unless attacked by other birds. So they most often they die in their nests or on the boughs. But they fly, they die, they can fall during flight as well if they are too tired. And suddenly the energy gives in. Or sometimes because of excessive heat, like in Pakistan these days, it was reported by the family which returned from Pakistan, Saifi's family, that some swallows and small birds just fell exhausted because of heat. So it is possible that they may fall during the flight. Would you be waiting for them to catch them while they fall?
Hospital